Day 11 of our 12 days of Tai Chi. We've just got one movement, but there's 3 parts to it to focus on today, and that's Deflect, Parry and Punch. In the Yang 24 step, our feet during this are doing a slow Tai Chi walk with a heel toe and a tap and a heel toe into our bow stance. So not going to really go over that, but going to focus on the arm movements. We're coming out of fan back, and I'm going to turn to the side so you can see the turn of the body as we do this movement. So from here, we're going to rock back, we're turning round, and we're going to end up with our hands holding the ball, but I'm ready, making this fist, the bottom hand into a fist, and I'm going to punch out. So I'm turning all the way around. So let's just focus on the feet. So we're going to rock back from our bow stance. We're swiveling this front foot on its heel, and then I'm going to turn around and I can heel out to the other side wall. Let's try again. Rock back, swivel round, and heel out. And one more time. Rock back, turn round, and heel out. Let's try it on the second side. So bow stance, we're rocking back, and turn this front foot, turning us round, all the way round, and then you can heel out to the other side wall. Let's try that again. And one more time. And with our arms from our fan back, we're rocking back. And then this hand's going to continue its circle. So that by the time we are here, we're nearly holding the ball. Going to make this bottom hand a fist. And then I'm coming out to strike. Other hand ends up on the hip. Let's try that again. Making it smooth, continuous. Let's try on the other side. Rock back, turn round, circle that hand, come to the ball, make your fist, and heel out. And again. So a good way to practice the arm movement of Deflect, Parry and Punch is by just keeping it focused on the arms. So we're going to take our feet slightly wider than hip width, and then we can add a little bit of horse stance and side bow to help us get that waist involved. So we've come through holding the ball, we've made our fist, and we've punched out. We're then going to bring this hand from hip, and it's like a slapping movement across to the front. So slap or strike. So from here, strike. The other hand's coming to the hip. So from here, slap. And then from there, we make ward off and we punch on top. So both times we're using the waist to help power these arm movements forwards. And again. Let's put all those together on the first side. holding our ball. Make your fist, punch out. Slap, punch. Hold a ball, punch out. Slap, punch. Hold a ball, punch out. Slap, punch. Okay, so let's do it again, slow motion, broken down on the second side. So we're bringing our hands up, making our punch and punching out. Then we want to move this hand around in a circular motion to make a slap or a strike. Make sure you add the waist in to power this slap. Then we go over to ward off and we're punching across. Again, the waist is going to power this punch through. So let's put all of that together on the second side. Make your fist, punch out. Slap, punch. Hold the ball, punch. Slap, punch. Hold the ball, punch. Slap, punch. Let's put everything together. Rock back, turn, punching out. We're going to heel toe down, tap and slap, heel toe and punch. Rock back, heel out, slap, punch. One more time. Let's do it on the second side. Final time. Wow, we're nearly there, guys. So one more session left to do. Join me for day 12 coming up.